Hello friends and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kallie Branciforte and today I have 6 very weird cleaning products for you that I've actually tested out and they actually really work. And I'm really excited to share them with you because the reason that they're so weird is because each one solves a very unique cleaning problem that you probably have. So let's go ahead and dive into these weird cleaning products. Alright, product number 1 is what is called Universal Dust Cleaner. But what it should be called is like cleaning slime because that is basically what it is. It looks like GAC. Like in elementary school and used to play with GAC. It's basically that. Also, just so you know, if you really want to, you can make fart noises with this. Yeah. That's right. It's often touted as being really good for cleaning keyboards because basically what it is you can lay it on any surface and the slime sort of like falls into the crevices and cracks and then you just pull it up and whatever gunk is down in those crevices, it gets up. But I actually find that this is really good for cleaning all sorts of hard to reach places. I like using it for my window sills, like you know the metal pieces along your window and it's just impossible to get in there. You can dust it, but it's really hard to get out like the junk in the corners. This works really great for that. It would work really great for the tracks if you had like French doors or sliding glass doors. Basically just any weird little cracks or crevices that you can't quite get at. This works so good. So this is a very bizarre product, but it has a very unique need and really gets the job done for those hard to reach places. And once you have it, you'll find all sorts of places that you can use it. Next product I have shown before, but it is these little microfiber slippers. Why do I have 2 different colors? I don't know, because I can never find matching whatever. Anyways, they're basically just like microfiber covers that you put on your feet like this for when you are mopping or cleaning. I like to put them on my feet whenever I'm cleaning my floors for a couple of reasons. It's really easy to just like use it to sweep into the corners without having to like bend down and get the baseboards and get into the corners. You can literally just like use your foot with this microfiber cleaner. But I also like using it because we have hardwood floors and when you're cleaning it, if you happen to step anywhere, it'll leave a smudge in your cleaning product. So I like wearing these because it just means that I'm not tracking any dirt around or smudging my cleaning product at all while I am cleaning. I use these every single time that I sweep, every time that I mop. I just find them so useful. You get a big pack of like 8 of them and then after you use them I just throw them in the wash and then you can use them again, which is why I always have mismatched colors because it's like socks. I can like never find the 2 that match. I don't care that they don't match while I'm cleaning. All I care about is that it makes cleaning my floors a lot easier. Okay, the next product is this little guy and it is a magnetic spot scrubber. And so the idea for this is if you have any like glass or plastic vases or jars or whatever and you can't fit your hand in or a sponge in to scrub inside, you know, you might get watermarks, you might get like a scuff or like just some junk on the inside that you can't reach to. You can just put the little guy inside and then they connect via magnet through the glass and you can scrub away any little like mess or dirt. I think this is so smart. I've had a couple of glass wear items that I've literally just like had to get rid of because didn't matter what kind of scrub brush or what kind of whatever I got, I could just never get it clean after I used it. We've all been in that situation where we're like trying to clean inside of something and our hand doesn't fit, the scrub brush doesn't fit. You just use this little magnet guy and you can like scrub away the mess. And I think this is so smart. Hey. Come here, little pig. No going woof woof woofs. No, no woof woofs. I'm trying to do the video, okay? Go take your little nappy naps, okay? Okay, next product is this, and I want you to just pause the video really quick and go down in the comments and guess, like, what does this do? Okay, did you guess? Yeah. It looks like chainmail, you know, like that knights used to wear. But what it actually is a cast iron cleaner. Now in our home I use almost exclusively cast iron unless I'm like boiling water. I don't love using a lot of other pots just because I'm like weird about Teflon and some of the coatings they use on things. I also just prefer cooking in cast iron. I find that they heat up really nice. I can get a nice high heat on them. Anyways, that's not what this video is about, but I use cast iron for pretty much all of my cooking and cleaning them can sort of be tricky, specifically if you're cooking certain things that stick to it. And this thing works so good if you cook with cast iron to literally scrub away anything. When I finally found this product on Amazon, it had like a cult following. People were like obsessed with it. So I love this little guy. Scrub your cast iron. It saves me so much time cleaning my cast irons that I used to spend like scrubbing away with like an inefficient scrubby. This is so much better. So if you're a cast iron user and you don't have one of these, it can change your life. Next is this strange little angry looking woman. She looks like pretty much every angry mom yelling at you because, you know, at midnight you put your Celeste pizza into the microwave and then, you know, the Celeste pizza went everywhere and the next morning the microwave's a mess. That's what she looks like she's mad about, and that's what she helps with. She's a microwave cleaner. You take her little head off like that, which seems sort of morbid, but it's fine. And then you fill her up with a mixture of water and vinegar. It has 2 little marks, this much vinegar, this much water. You put the top back on. Her little head and her little hair have like little steam parts, and then you just stick it in the microwave. You let it run for a couple of minutes, and vinegar and water turn into steam. We know that vinegar is amazing at cleaning stuff, and then it literally just helps to break down all of the gunk that is in your microwave, and then you can just wipe it all clean. In the past, I've always just used a water vinegar mixture like in a bowl, but I actually find that she is much more effective. It's something about like the little holes on her head or something. She steams better, and it does a better job like coating the entire microwave. Plus, she's really cute. Like this, it makes you want to clean your microwave, you know? All right, final product is this guy, which is a blinds cleaner. I can't tell you how many hours of my life I've wasted dusting blinds, because you gotta do like each one at a time. Now you can like double your time because you can just really quick grab, wipe. It makes cleaning blinds so much easier. And it's got just this little like microfiber cover. You throw this in the wash when you're done. There's some replacements so you can be using one when the other one's getting washed. If you have blinds in your house and you spend too much time cleaning your blinds like I did, or just ignoring that the blinds are dusty because you don't want to dust them, this guy's gonna save you a lot of time. It's actually kind of fun, you know, it's like there's like a little bit of satisfaction in it, so you find yourself more likely to do it. You're like, oh, that's not so bad. All right, my friends, that does it with my weird cleaning products that actually work. These are just like sort of strange, weird products that are actually going to solve some cleaning problems that you probably have in your house. Links to all of these products are down below. I think I got pretty much all of them on Amazon, so super easy to grab them if you want them. I love when I find products that solve something that I've been struggling with a long time and or, you know, save me time and just like my daily routine. So these are all sort of neat little products that do that, and I love it. But that does it for today's video. If this is your first time coming to my channel, I hope that you'll consider hitting subscribe before you leave. I post new videos every Sunday as well as 2 bonus videos on Thursdays every single month. But as always, I appreciate you stopping by and watching. I hope you are having a fantastic day. I hope this inspired you to do some weird cleaning in your house, and I will see you all in my next video.